Hello, my name is Brian Stacks. This is my alpha preview for my application Abled. I'm going to start here this would be the opening screen for a new user. Would be welcome with the login screen. In this screen, they could either log in if they already had previously downloaded the app and signed up. If not, they will have to go through the sign up process, which we'll do from here. The user will be asked to enter an email address. We'll make up one at 1234.com. We'll make up a username that is Jacob and password as Jacob 1978. So we'll sign up. And as you can see, we're took to the home screen where it has the user's name, and this is the first page that they'll come to. It gives a little information about the application. And as you can see, we got navigation by tabs. And I'm going to go ahead and log out and show you the login flow. And after a user has signed up, this would be his second. So we would just enter what we just entered there. And then we would enter the password we entered. And we would just log in. As you can see, here we are back at the home screen. And then when they're at the home screen, they should be able to go to local places. And local places should pull up a map and a table view, which it does. But the table view should be with gathered items from the Foursquare API. And the map should be also pinpointing those places with annotations. And here we have the Add a Place tab, where the user can add a place to the database of the reviewed places. What the local places is really supposed to do is you should be able to select the place that you're at without having to write anything. And if it's on the local places map and stuff, you should be able to select it, and it would auto fill out these 3 text fields. But since we don't have that availability yet, we'll go ahead and just add one to the database. We already got items there. We'll just call this hello test, and we'll just have the 123 Hello Avenue, and the place type would just be test place. And then we would save that, and when we do, we should be took to a place of all the saved places. And as you can see, we had some places already there. Oops. We'll go back there. And there we have our hello test. When just right now, we just got a static image of what would be up there. What would the end product should be is the users, whatever pictures they add, that would be the latest picture would be this, and also the picture would then be added to a collection. So we should then be able to select on this piece, and it should come up and show the details here, and to show the user all the details it has: photos, comments, place name, place address, and the rating. And then the user should be able to edit that in this menu. And then they should be able to save that, and they should take them back to the table view of the reviewed places. So we go back to the table view of the reviewed places, and the last page we have would be the settings page, where the user can change their user photo. And here we can do have this piece in place. We can edit the profile picture. We'll just pick a random picture they got in here, and we can save this. Once we've saved and we see it gave us an alert, we can just hit the done button, and you can see up here in the top left corner we have changed our user picture. We do not have the theme button or the social connections or the contact developer buttons hooked up yet. And as you can see, as we change tabs, the user change is, it's there. He's changed his user profile picture. And I do have a lot of work to do to catch up and get my core features in place, which I know is add to place to the review table, and then be able to edit the description of that place, and get the supplemental function of the local places, available by GPS location. Needs to be fixed in. But this has been my alpha preview. Thank you for watching.